Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for taking a few moments to check out this video. As you can see, I'm going to talk about success motivation, the self-image, and this is a true story, okay? So stay with me for the next couple of minutes. First, I want to take you in and share with you this power thought, okay? And then we'll come right back and get into the story. Okay, a poor self-image can be a debilitating force in one's life. It can prevent individuals from achieving their goals, pursuing their dreams, and living their lives to the fullest. Okay, now when I began my journey into personal growth and development or personal transformation, I began with the self-image. At that time, I did not know what a self-image was, and I did not know that I had a self-image, okay? I did, however, know that something was going on with me. Something was wrong. And you know, if you and I walk in some degree of self-awareness, we know when things aren't right. The way I thought about myself, the way I felt about myself was off. Something was wrong. And I did not understand why. I did not know what was going on, okay? I knew then that I needed some help, but I did not know where I could get that kind of help from. I later came to realize that I was suffering from a low self-esteem and a poor self-image or a failure image, and I had a host of other self-limiting attitudes and behaviors that were really coming from the fact that I was suffering with a poor self-image. And here's what happened. A friend of mine came by my house one day, seemingly out of the blue, but you know that things like a friend just coming by exactly, the time, excuse me, that you need them. And you know that that's not by chance or happenstance. I believe it was and still is to this day by divine providence. You see, my friend came by with a tape series from a company called Success Motivation Institute. Paul J. Meyer was the president of the company. Now, I don't think Success Motivation is in business today, but they were back in the early 80s, okay? And Paul J. Meyer, again, was the president, and he was an extraordinary, gifted guy, okay? And he taught some powerful principles, concepts, and strategies for personal growth and development. And he taught me about the self-image, and obviously, taught other things as well. And everything he shared, I tell you, everything he shared on those tapes were pertaining to me. My mind was literally blown, okay? Okay, in closing this particular section, closing this video out, I actually got into the study of the self-image as well as some other things, okay? And I want you to see this here with me. It says, self-image is your concept of what sort of person you are. And it's vitally important to know and understand yourself. You can have a self-concept of yourself that is not who you truly are. Oh my. And I tell you something, that what was going on with me was I began to view myself. I had a concept of me who was not the real me. And in part 2, we're going to dig a little bit deeper into this thing called the self-image. Thanks for taking a few moments to check out this brief story. Okay, so be on the lookout for part 2, okay? And if you are interested in a home-based business, be sure to check out the information in the description area of this video. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and awesome day today, wherever you are in the world. God bless. Bye-bye.